Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today we'll check if we can here add fingerprint or set face unlock. So as you can see, at the first we have to go for the settings and we have to move simply for the lock screen and security. And when we are here, we can find screen lock type, smart lock or security lock settings. Let's open screen lock type. And as you can see here, we can find swipe, pattern, pin, password, or go without any protection. When you take a look on the power key, there's the normal power key without fingerprint sensor. On the back or for another edge, there is no any fingerprint. And the display is on hand. You also don't have here the icon of the fingerprint. So in this smartphone you cannot find fingerprint, you cannot set it up. And as you can see, that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.